You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the light, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise.
Well, howdy doody. Welcome to Wrapsesh, everyone. Take it away.
I'm Vixen and this is Slim. Today we're going to be showcasing a super custom, awesome motorcycle wraps. You guys know we specialize in going above and beyond with our motorcycle wraps, doing full coverage. We were wrapping a Honda
CBR 1000.
1000 RR. Now we're pirates, first we're cowboys, now we're pirates. We wrapped up a Honda CBR 1000 RR, right?
RR.
Whatever.
Yeah.
And we did a really cool nerd out project. Our client was super into the Joker. So we collaborated with Wrapsesh Tik Tok.
Yeah. Did an awesome job on the design. He did like more of like an old comic book Joker. It was like, I think it's actually from the...
I think it's called like the Killing Joker.
Killing the Joke.
No. Somebody schooled me and told me which Joker it was. But I think it's the original comic book Joker. He's
It is.
really
It's one of the,
scary.
yeah, kind of crazy looking.
Yeah, so that was kind of the theme we were going for. Obviously the purple and green kind of color scheme, the scary face, the why so serious,
Yeah.
you know, all that
but
stuff.
we ended up, I like the way we did his face though, because we actually made his face only reflective.
We made his face and the why so serious.
And the why so serious.
So we printed on a Auriful matte metallic silver base using our 1682 SR eco-solvent printer. And then we laminated it to satin for the whole wrap. And then we did gloss reflective overlays. So when he photographs this, or when headlights hit his car, or hits his bike, you're gonna only see that face and the why so serious. So it's just kind of a cool little effect.
Which is kind of creepy.
It is. He was scary.
It was awesome though.
But it was so cool.
It was like, well, it's supposed to be creepy.
Scary, but
awesome.
I kind of like it.
Yeah.
Like me.
Like me.
Anyways, we also did clear bra. So we did
the whole front end.
I wrapped the whole front end in satin body fence clear bra.
Yeah.
I did his headlights in the S-Tech Dyno Fancy Yellow.
Ooh, that like finished off the whole bike.
PPF. Wait, let me say it first.
I was just adding it in.
It did finish it off. It made it very nice. So that was the Dyno Fancy S-Tech Yellow PPF headlight film. And then we also did a ceramic coating on top. And then we put it all back together. And he came and picked it up. And there was like, he had a whole Joker getup. He had like the purple leather jacket, the Joker helmet, the Joker bike.
Like the mohawk.
It was super dope. So I love getting clients like that are like so nerdy obsessed with something.
Well, it makes the project that much
better. It just
better.
makes it a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So we had a really good time. Hope you guys enjoy. watching. Follow our Facebook and Instagram at Vinyl Mix and Raps and Wrapsesh AZ. And please, 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 make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you see the Wrapsesh fight. Okay.
Okay. Help. Broken.
Oh no, oh no.
Just for motivation.
I feel like an old lady.
Well, you didn't have to you didn't have to say the whole thing. I thought you were just gonna take me off at the
I
end.
thought it'd be funny to try to do the whole thing.
Oh.